Hey there, audio enthusiasts. Welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to compare 6.5 versus 6 by 9 inch speakers. Before we get started, make sure to click that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Also, check out the link in the description for more detailed information on this sonic showdown. Now, let's kick things off with sound quality. As someone who's been in the audio game for years, I can tell you that both these speaker sizes have their strengths. 6 by 9 inch speakers with their larger size are bass beasts. They move more air, giving you that deep, resonant low end that'll have your car vibrating. If you're all about that bass, 6 by 9 speakers might be your jam. But don't count out the 6.5 speakers just yet. These compact powerhouses offer precision and accuracy that's hard to beat. They excel in the mid-range, delivering vocals and instruments with exceptional clarity. In my experience, if you're after a balanced, detailed sound, 6.5 inch speakers are tough to top. Now, let's talk volume. Generally speaking, 6 by 9 speakers can get louder due to their larger size and higher power handling. But here's the thing. Loudness isn't everything. I've installed countless speaker systems, and I can tell you that factors like amplifier quality and speaker placement play huge roles too. Speaking of installation, let's break it down. 6 by 9 speakers are popular for rear decks and parcel shelves. Their oval shape is perfect for these spots, but they can be a tight squeeze in door panels. On the flip side, 6.5 speakers are versatile little ninjas. They'll fit in most standard door cutouts and are great for custom installations. Now, let's get technical for a moment. Power handling is crucial. 6 by 9 speakers typically handle more power, making them ideal for high wattage systems. But don't underestimate the 6.5 speakers. Modern engineering has made these smaller speakers capable of impressive power handling too. Next, we compare their construction. When it comes to construction, both sizes use similar materials like polypropylene cones and rubber surrounds. However, the larger cone of the 6 by 9 allows for more air movement, contributing to that bigger bass response, so which is better? Well, it depends on your needs. If you crave earth-shaking bass and high volume, 6 by 9 speakers might be your go-to. But if you value precision, versatility, and balanced sound, 6.5 speakers could be the perfect fit. How about value for money? In terms of value for money, 6.5 speakers often offer great bang for your buck. They're typically more affordable and easier to install. But if you're after specific features like enhanced bass, the extra cost of 6 by 9 speakers might be worth it for you. Before we wrap up, remember that the best choice depends on your specific situation. Consider your vehicle, your musical preferences, and your budget. And don't forget to audition speakers before you buy. That's all for today, audiophiles. I hope this comparison helps you make an informed decision. Remember to check out the link in the description for more details. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more audio insights. Until next time, keep those speakers pumping.